Now I'm going to tighten this down. I'm going to unplug it, and we'll take these guide rollers off and see if we can get the new ones installed. Okay, so this part number right here is a Milwaukee 4228 0211, and it's a rear blade guide block kit, and that comes with the 3 rollers that you see there, and you can see how bent it is. So what I have is my T25 Torx right there. Okay, so we're going to loosen the blade, and we'll take that off. Get that out of the way. Okay. Alright, so we got the blade off, and what we have is 3 screws. There's one right here we need to remove, one on the stop here, and there's one on the other side, So we'll take this one off, and about to lose it. Okay, so we'll take this off with our T25. And we'll take this one off. Okay, the 3rd screw is right here on the top side. And our guide block assembly is almost off. Okay, and there it is. Quite a bit of wear there on that old one here. So we'll get this installed, put our 3 screws back in. Very simple, same way it was removed. And we'll have a nearly new saw. Okay, on this part number, I noticed we have a little difference on the new one. And what we have is we're not threaded. This screw goes on the old one right there. On this one, the threads have not been machined out or tapped. So the only difference I see is it says it's an R2. It's supposed to be the right one. So let me get the tap and die set, figure out what size it is, and we'll tap that out. Okay, so in order to get this screw in, I'm going to have to tap it, and based on my measurements and all, it appears that it's a 1032. So I've got my 1032 tap, and the most difficult part getting that started. So it looks like I got it started. Be careful going through the bottom. Looks like I've hit the roller wheels. So these wheels are so close together. When the tap tried to go through there, it hit the wheels. Okay, so if you decide you're going to be tapping this out, this is what you're going to need: a narrow flathead. I was able to just take it apart with my 10-in-1 here. It wasn't extremely tight. I held it with my hand the first time. Those two rollers, the threads are on the top side, they're down on the bottom, and then this screw comes in through the top. So we want to thread our threads there. There we go. Alright, so I've got good threads. Now, what I'm going to be watching is to see if that screw sticks out and hits those rollers. I'm going to put the roller wheels back on. It's a very fragile block here. I'm kind of surprised. So here's the thing. Currently, the guide rollers are free. So as I'm putting the screw in, it's going to be interesting to see if I can get that tight without hitting the guide rollers. Get my freshly tapped hole and screw installed. So it does appear to have the housing thickness. There's plenty of thickness there, and it's not going to be a problem. So we'll install a longer screw here under the bottom, and we're going to install the screw in the stop as well. Alright, so we'll tighten everything up, and that's going to be that. Alright, so we got the guide block all installed and tightened. And it's probably a good idea to wear some kind of protective glove. A glove here. Taking it on and off. Got it blade back installed. Let's see how it does. Okay, so now this is a little closer angle. You can see that the blade is held straight with the stop here. And before, the blade was allowing, you can even see some notches here, the blade was allowed to go into that stop. So this should fix this up, and the saw should be in good cutting shape now. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope this helps somebody who's having some issues with their bandsaw. If it's not running, check your brushes, and also if you're having issues cutting, it's not cutting straight, you might need to replace your roller guide blocks there. I'll leave a link to where I purchased these on Amazon below, so check those out if you need that. So thanks for watching, and if you're interested in setting this saw up for a table bandsaw, I'll have that video coming out next, and so we'll see you there. Also, if you're like these videos, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and thanks for watching.